Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. We're cooking lentil curry and potato flatbread today. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Firstly, you start by heating up your oil, add your onions, fry them for like 5 minutes, add your ginger and your garlic. After you added your ginger and your garlic,
so many minutes? One.
So just for 1 minute.
So that's from 1 minute.
Now add your spices. Give it a mix for like a minute. And add your peppers. Now you're adding your tomatoes. I blended my tomatoes. You can chop them up.
It smells so nice, Mama. You are the bestest cook.
After adding the tomatoes, wait 5 minutes and add your red lentils. Just mix it up. Add your boiling water, 400 ml or 1.5 cup. Simmer for 10 minutes, and once your red lentils are done and they are not crunchy, they are done. That's how you know they are well cooked. Add your coconut cream, mix it up. That's 1 cup of coconut cream. The color, the smell, guys, and adjust your salt if you want it to be more salty. And there you go, you are done. Our potato flatbread ingredients: you boil your potatoes and you mash them. You let them cool outside. I did that because it was late. Let them cool outside. And here I am preparing my flour and salt and mixed pepper. I then added my mashed potato, 1 cup. It's cooled, not warm, it's cooled. Knead your dough. Knead your dough for 6 to 8 minutes. Work it out, and your hands are clean and they're not sticky. Cut it into 8 equal parts, and there I am cutting it so that Utatile can have her share of work. The joy of giving birth, guys. You just flatten these balls out. Make them into balls, and you need a flour on the top to work your dough so that it doesn't stick. It's me and my daughter. We are using our rollers. You can use anything. Please dust your surface when you're working with flour. Now heat your pan over medium heat and cook your flatbread for about 2 minutes on each side, or until you see those golden spots. Flip carefully and press gently for an even cook. And now for the best part, serving it all together. Pair your fluffy potato flatbread with this creamy red lentil curry for a meal that's hearty, healthy, and bursting with flavor. Thanks for watching, joining me today. If you love this recipe, hit that like button, comment below with your favorite flatbread toppings, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.